To begin, log into Canvas, locate your course, go to the Files section, go to the folder Software Labs MS Excel, go to the folder MS Excel Lab 4, then download the instructions for the lab, and then download the sample of the finished Excel lab so you can compare your work with the desired result. When finished, log out of Canvas and close your browser. Now open MS Excel and select a blank workbook. A few words about Excel. Each of these cells are referenced by their column ID, which uses letters of the alphabet, and their row numbers, which uses numbers. So this cell is in column E and in row 5, so it is in E5. This box here is called the name box. This box here is called the formula bar, and this box here is the function box. So click on cell number A1 to make it active, and then type Profit Marietta. Then press enter, which will move you to cell A2. In A2, type second quarter cardio sales. And press enter again, which will move you to A3. Then press the down arrow key once to move to A4. Then type exercise bikes. Press enter to move to A5. Type elliptical machines. Press enter to move to A6. Type treadmills. And press enter to move to A7. Type rowing machines. Press enter to move to A8 and type total. And press enter again. Now click on the Files tab, select Save As, and save the file as first initial, last name, underscore Lab4 underscore quarterly underscore sales. Then click on cell number B3 to make it active. And type April. Press enter, which will move you back to B4. Click on B3 again. Notice the little green square at the bottom right hand corner of the cell. Move your mouse pointer over it, and when it changes to a black cross, click left and hold the mouse button down, and then drag across C3 and D3, which will then type in May and June for you. This little green square is called the fill handle, and the autofill option was activated when we dragged across to the right. Now make sure that cells B3 through D3 are still selected. If not, click on B3, hold the mouse pointer down left and drag all the way to D3 to select all 3 cells, and select the Home tab. In the paragraph group under Alignment, select Center Alignment. Then press Ctrl Home to move to cell number A1. Now move the mouse pointer in the gray area above. Here this is known as the column heading area. And go to the border between column A and B and see how your mouse pointer changes to an arrow pointing left and right. Then hold down and drag the border to the right until you see 120 pixels. Now fill in the following numbers in columns B through D, rows 4 through 7, as shown below. In B4, type 68991.12. Then press the right arrow key. In C4, type 86894.82. And press the right arrow key. In D4, type 99650.58. And press the down arrow key and move over to B5. In B5, type 28836 and press the right arrow key. In C5, type 22634.23 and press the right arrow key, and in D5, type 22828.78 and press the down arrow key, press the left arrow key twice to get to B6. In B6, type 59519.78 and press the right arrow key. In C6, type 82337.98 and press the right arrow key. And in D6, type 99823.87, press the down arrow key and the left arrow key to go to cell number B7. In B7, type 81267.17 and press the right arrow key to move to C7. In C7, type 87867.50 and press the right arrow key to move to cell number D7, and in D7, type 91669.98 and press the down arrow key once. Now move the left arrow key twice to move to cell number B8. We will now enter a formula into cell number B8. To begin, all formulas begin with an equal sign, so we type an equal sign, and then we're going to type B4 and a plus sign behind it, and B5 and a plus sign behind it, and B6 and a plus sign behind it, and B7. And when we press enter, we will see that it totaled all the values in column number B for us in cell B8. Now left click cell number C8 to make it active. Then type an equal sign into C8. Then left click cell number C4 and type a plus sign. Left click cell number C5 and type a plus sign. Left click cell number C6 and type a plus sign. And left click cell number C7 and press enter. We have now the total for all the columns, all the cells in column C in cell number C8. Now left click cell number D8 to make it active. Then go to the Home tab, click the Order Sum button under the Editing group and press enter. So this invokes the built-in sum function in Excel, and you just use 3 different ways to build a sum function in cell number B8, C8 and D8. Now left click cell number E3 to make it active and type total and press enter. In cell E4 hold down the Alt key and type the equal sign. This will invoke the sum function and the range will default to B4 through D4. Press enter to accept the range. Now you notice the fill, click back on cell number E4 and you notice the green fill handle at the bottom right hand corner. Move your mouse pointer over it until you see a black cross and drag down. And this will now enter totals across for rows 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now left click cell number F3 to make it active and type trend. Press enter, then save your file. File, save. We will now apply formatting and cell styles to the workbook. Select cells A1 through F1. By dragging over the cells while the left mouse button is pressed. Then select Merge and Center under the Home tab, Alignment Group. Repeat these steps for cells A2 through F2. Select them by left-clicking and dragging across. And then under the Home tab, Alignment Group, click on Merge and Center. Now select cell number A1 and from the Styles group, under the Home tab, select Cell Styles and apply a cell style of Title. Then select cell number A2 and from the Styles group, under Cell Styles, select Heading 1. Now select the range of B3 through F3 by left clicking and dragging, then press the Control key and hold it down and select the vertical range of A4 through A8. Then under the Home tab, Styles group, apply a cell style of heading 4. Now select cells B4 through E4 and then press the Control key and hold it down and select B8 through E8. Then from the Numbers group, apply a number format of accounting to it. Finally, select cells B5 through E7 and from the number format group, apply the comma number format by clicking on this comma. Now select B8 through E8 with the left dragging method, and from the Home tab, Styles group, apply a cell style of total. We will now change the theme for the workbook. Under the Page Layout tab, on the left, click on the Themes button and select the Retrospect theme. We will now create a chart from parts of the data. Select cells A3 through D7. Then click on the Insert tab, and from the recommended chart, when the box opens up, select the first clustered column chart. Make sure to click on the chart to display the Chart Tools ribbon. Then click on the chart title and change it to second quarter cardio sales. Now the way you do that is you have to backspace this chart title out of there and then type in second quarter cardio sales, and don't press enter, just click anywhere outside the chart title. The chart still selected, apply a chart style of style 6. Then click on the Gallery Chart Styles button here, click on Colors, and from the Colorful group, select the third row from the top. Point to the top edge of the chart, and when your mouse pointer changes to a cross, hold down the left mouse button and drag the chart to where the top left-hand corner of the chart aligns with the left corner of cell A10. The final step is to create some sparkline charts. Select the range of B4 to D7. Then click on the Insert tab, and from the Sparklines group, select Lines. In the location range of the Create Sparklines dialog box, type F4:F7. And click on OK. Then with the sparklines selected, in the Show box, click on the Markers bar to show the markers. Then save your file and submit it to Canvas.